Running off over next door's garden before the hour is done. It's more a question of feeling than it is a question of fun. The confidence is the balaclava, I'm sure you'll baffle them good. With the ending reek of salty cheeks and runny makeup alone. Or will blood run down the face of a boy bewildered and scorned? Will you find yourself in a skirmish? Will you wish you'd never been born? You tie yourself to the tracks and there isn't no going back. And it's wrong, 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 but we'll do it anyway 'cause we love a bit of trouble. From a burning building or throwing her to the sharks. Can only hope that the ending is as pleasurable as the start. The confidence is the balaclava, I'm sure you baffle them straight. And it's wrong, 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 she can hardly wait. That's right, he won't let her out his side. Now the shaggers perform and the daggers are drawn. Who's the crooks in this crime? That's right, he won't let her out his side. Now the shaggers perform and the daggers are drawn. Who's the crooks in this crime? Keep on the balaclava.
And Dom and Imants were battling, and Imants was experiencing internet connectivity issues with the live stream. And so he started the wrong model, and we were like, okay, all right, guys, like we're gonna wait, we're gonna go back, we're gonna start another part. So then we started the second part. That was the tier 7 part, and Imants didn't realize, so he was still working on the previous part. And he probably worked on that. Oh, what is the mass of this part? X grams. Tolerance plus 5 grams. This part is needed. where it's talking about the branch and merge function.
Yeah.
And
8655.
in this video, what we see is from the multi-user point of view, you can actually have two users working on the same part at the same time.
Let's go.
So like with this video, in this video,
I'm pretty confident with that.
this user shared the design and gave Ken edit rights to the user on the left. The user on the right shared and gave Ken edit rights to the user on the left.
I think I've got all the outer dimensions.
Is able to actually go in and start making changes, and like you can see on the.
I don't think there's any cheeky fillets anywhere.
There's an indicator that the user on the right is working on that.
Some of that top detail is correct, which looks pretty good.
I
think we're good.
On the right,
Let's find out.
is working there. So QwertyCA, the world champion.
This one was correct.
That speed iron, 2020
Beat everyone in the chat.
world champion. Will he come back and
2 days later.
defend the title? That's the question.
Might post this unlisted.
Will he come
Thanks
back
for the stream, Toby.
We're-
Catch you for the next one.
no way we could